Sony's XM4s, which, you know, in my mind are kind of the obvious headphone upgrade for most users, they're on sale. It is the lowest price they've ever been at. So this is a nice little moment for you if you are, well, I know you're stuck at home a lot, probably, depending where you live, but most likely you're stuck at home a lot and you might be listening to a bunch of stuff, and you might live in a home, in a house with other humans like I do. And if that's the case and it's all types of volume issues, you might want some noise canceling, one of the best in the game. So you can do whatever you want with your content. Even transparency mode, if you need to hear things around you. Now, the XM4s are not quite the price tag as the AirPods Max to begin with. Granted, they're made of plastic. Relax. And they have all kinds of cool features. I did a video on it. You can go check it out for yourself. XM3s, I've been using these things forever. And now they're even more approachable, coming in at $72 off at Amazon. Now, they do go on sale from time to time, but apparently this is the lowest ever. $278 at the time of publishing. Are both colors available? Can you hit the US site? Can you hit the Amazon.com for us, Will, so we can verify this particular price? It actually looks like it's not even just Amazon.com. Best Buy has a $278 price point, a couple of others.
Main site, right?
What's that?
Their main site.
Oh, their main site has it at $279. I guess if you go to Amazon, it's $1 less at $278. You want to save, but you know, people like to shop on Amazon, don't they? $278, limited time. Can I get both colors? Can I get black? I can. Oh, I can get blue. Cool, blue and gold. I rarely see that color. So anyway, it's a hot moment. Look at the reviews. Almost 10,000 ratings, 4.5 stars. It's no joke. You don't take my word for it. You will not regret this particular upgrade. It's still a pricey headphone, but it ain't AirPods Max.